This is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that there's going to be a mukbang of. This is Daebak Habanero Kimchi Jjigae Flavour Soup. So, this is developed in South Korea and sold in Malaysia, or manufactured in Malaysia. This one's sold all over the place, and it looks like this particular cup is labeled and approved of for sale in India. I've had ones that said that on them, and they were approved for India and the UAE. So these guys do their stuff all over the place. 4 minutes and 15 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. It will be a gas. So here we are. And how are you? I'm looking forward to having my lunch, and that's what this will be, even after it's garnished and everything. So yeah, should be fun. I was gonna set it up to do a mukbang in there, but I don't even feel like it. It's just too much hassle. It's already getting late. I gotta pick up the kids in a couple hours. Meh. I probably should take the dog out again because the filthy rat didn't go last time. So we'll see what happens. But this is the next to the last of the Daebak varieties that I have to review. As far as the cups go, I've done the regular cup. They've got new packaging, so they're new reviews. New packaging of the standard ghost pepper spicy, the new Carolina Reaper spicy chicken, the habanero spicy chicken. Now I'm doing this one. This is the habanero kimchi jjigae. And then of the pack ones, there's a spicy chicken pack, which is big, and then there's a spicy chicken cheese ghost pepper pack, which was good. And the next one after that will be the ghost pepper cheese cup, and that'll be everything. They also have regular packs, large packs of Daebak varieties, and honestly, those are real good. I was impressed. They came up with a mushroom one. Didn't really make me think a lot of mushrooms. It made me think of like just very standard Korean instant noodle varieties that you would expect. And they were good. They were really quite good. So looking forward to that. The ghost pepper ones usually have more of a black noodle and don't have any soup involved. These have soup. So just telling you. The only thing that you add in this, aside from the soup base, is a vegetable sachet which has kimchi in it. Here is the soup base. And that'll be going in next. All the other ones are spicy chicken, so I think when I plate this, it's going to have chicken in it, because I made some nice chicken. So we'll see what goes on. The sun is being ornery today. As you can probably see, it's very sunny. Already went out and did almost 8 miles. And I'm going to go out again later and do some more walking. What do I need to get? I need to get more green onions. Yeah. So I'll go out later, do that. When I get home, I'll have done more than 10 miles of walking. It's nice. I get most of it done in the morning, at least 3/4, if not more. And then in the evening, I just go down to the store and back, and that'll finish it. And I've still got time to get my tail in gear and get the 3 reviews that I need to do for the day. And I've still got time left over. It's nice. It's nice. Nice. So yeah. So that's going to be next up. I'm going to do the kimchi, habanero kimchi. Sounds good. I know I've done it before, but I haven't done it in a long time. So that's the next step in my day. Stir it, and stir it. It's showing its parts. Yeah, it's kind of clear. I don't generally like stuff like this. I'm really not into. I don't like to see its parts. You know, But it's fine on this one. I'm not real worried about it. Yeah. Here we go. One and a do. We'll put that up there. Here we are, and we're gonna add in our spicy sauce. And granted, you know, it's gonna be a mukbang, so I'm not even gonna taste this until it's time to do said mukbang. Don't have an egg for this one, folks. I had to get those two kind of, they're not bad, they weren't bad eggs, but I like to use ones that are like really current. I think those eggs were like 3-4 days old, so doesn't mean there's anything wrong with them. It just means that they're a little more dyed in the wool, as they say. Smells good. So we will plate this, and then there will be an episode of Professional Mukbang coming your way shortly. I'm going to use this. This is actually from Thailand. And this was a gift that I got around, I think it was Christmas. Yeah. And you get a few of them and you put them on top of each other. And it's got a little thing that goes clink and they all stay together. So you can like pack a lunch, or it's for food handling and storage and such. So that's pretty cool. Thank you. You know who you are. If you're even watching this. I don't think they're going to be watching this, but they might. They might. Oh, that's a lot of kimchi left in there. Let's get the kimchi. I don't want to miss any kimchi. So this is an interesting, like I said, I've got a group, it's called Ramen Junkies, and one of the rules in there, no clear bowls, no clear vessels. It drives me nuts. And, you know, if you ate out of this, generally you probably wouldn't be taking the cardboard off. You know. But there's something about it that just like makes my stomach turn. And so that's the only reason for that. The other big rule is no vertical chopsticks, but that's a cultural thing. You know. So why no vertical chopsticks? It looks like funeral incense. It's generally like frowned upon. You don't just like jam a pair of chopsticks in it and take pictures and glory in it. I've had arguments with people about that, but it's my house and I can post a picture of it because it's in my house that I took it. What kind of woke crap is that? And honestly, it's like, I hear you, but when you're posting in a group with people from around the world, it's not your house. It's a global house. So be nice. Doesn't cost you anything. Yeah, just be nice. It's not too hard. You used to do it when you were a kid. You want people to be nice to you, don't you? Only you can prevent things like that. There we go. All right. Well, I guess the next thing to do will be a mukbang. And I just turned the stupid light on this thing. Didn't mean to do that. No. Can I turn that off easily? There it is. Turn off. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. There. Now it's off. So yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And if you're watching this debut at 1 p.m., don't worry, the mukbang will be coming up at 2 p.m. So enjoy, do what you do, have a good one, and bye.